Now this elevator may look like just some typical glass elevator until you see the shape of the hoistway. And these doors are at an odd angle. Look at this. It's a parallelogram shape. Here, hold on, I'm gonna... The cab is skewed. This elevator is in italics.
And it's misleveled.
It's locked. C3 is locked. Want to hit C2 LL?
What are they hiding in C3?
More weird shaped elevators. C2 UL? Cool.
These buttons are so hard to press.
Yeah, they're weird.
Please hold the handrail and attend to all children. Baby strollers, push carts, and pull carts are not permitted on this escalator. This escalator is for passenger use only.
Interesting.
Please attend to all
That's
children.